Hello. I'm here to do a reveal of a Dooney and Bourke bag that I just purchased. It took maybe about a week or so for it to get here, and this is how the box came. And as you can see, it looks like someone, I don't know if it was just bad tape or if someone intentionally went in like that, because the other side is like that. And hopefully everything is fine, but Dooney and Bourke, you got to do a little bit better than this with the tape. I can buy good tape. This is like the second or third time I've purchased something, and it just doesn't, kind of makes you question, your purchase a little bit. You look forward to this, and then you get this, and the presentation is just, kind of disappointing. So I just wanted to say that, but I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Like I said, it looks like someone has already stuck their hand in, but we're going to go ahead and open it up, see what we're working with. There it is, and the paperwork, the receipt is there. And as you can see, this is a very big bag. Okay, I took it out the plastic, and just in case you haven't figured it out, I purchased the extra large Courtney Sac again, but this time it's in the Florentine. And this bag, I could smell it when I was pulling it out of the plastic. It smells like leather. This is a beautiful bag. It's still packed. And we have our dust bag right here. Set that to the side. The red interior, the green suede, the zipper, and registration card, key holder, and two slide pockets on that side and one on that side. Now, I know in the previous video I said that the Courtney didn't work out for me, but I Love Dooney was having a sale, so I decided to try it again. Maybe this time this will work out. So that's my intention, to try this again. Maybe try an organizer in it. And maybe, again, maybe it was just the wrong bag. Maybe I wanted this Florentine leather because I do like Florentine leather. So I'm going to try it again. And I'm going to come back and let you know how it works out. I would like to keep this one because I hear a lot of people talking about it. And everybody else loves their Courtney's. And I love the look of the bag. That's undeniable. I love the bag, but it just didn't work out for what I needed it for previously. So I'm going to try it again, and hopefully this time it will. So thumbs up, and hopefully it will work. Okay. And so one more thing I wanted to show you was this. When I made the purchase for the Courtney Sac, they offered the cosmetic case at a discounted price as well. So I picked that up along with the bag, and I will be using that either as a cosmetic case maybe, or just as a little catch-all inside of the bag. But there it is. I love this beautiful hardware that they have on it. I love the strap, and it's an adjustable strap. So, and I love this color. I believe it's, what is it, chestnut, or yeah, chestnut. So I'm hoping I'll be very happy with this. I still love the strap. I think that is so beautiful. But okay, we will see how it works out this time. Dooney and Bourke, extra large Courtney Sac. Alright, I will see you soon.